Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, I have an unboxing for you, and of course this is of a tripod. Alright, so this is a Aureday tripod, and of course this is the box that it comes in. So it's a plain box, and of course this is a tripod, great for mounting your camera in case you need to do videos, or of course in case you need to do other stuff such as record anything at all, and you need a steady surface or a steady stand to keep your device on. I'll have the link to it in the description. All right, so just to show you what you get and what it's like. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and open this up. And of course I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by this company. And of course here we go. So these are the contents of the packaging. All right, so first of all we have the tripod. We put this aside. There is a card that comes in the box. I'm going to look at that later. And of course there is another guide that is saying thank you. And of course there is the head for the tripod stand. And what I like about this, it comes with a key, and of course this key fob as a option that you can use for Android or iOS to take photos or of course start videos. All right, so this is the key fob. All right, so we're going to place this to the side, and of course we have another device here, and I think this is the knob. There's a mechanism that's a part of it. All right, so let's look at the all right, so we're going to look at the tripod itself. So here we have the base. All right, so you can see that it's very tall, and it comes with these rubberized base. They are very smooth, but smooth enough to get a grip on most surfaces without damaging them. Then of course there's this section. It's made out of soft spongy material. Soft spongy material in this section. There's a solid section here, and of course there's the main section here that allows it to pivot. There is a retention arm here, so you can get those perfect angles. All right, so here we go. So we're going to remove the clamp, and of course the clamp here works with the main base. You can actually attach this, and next to that we have another section here, so we can actually go ahead and open this up. All right, so we have another mechanism here that's a part of the assembly, and we're going to assemble this. All right, just before assembling, this is the directions for the key fob that's right here. It can be paired. It uses Bluetooth, and of course you can check it out. So at any time you can pause and read the pairing instruction. And of course over here there's just the choking hazard warning. All right. All right guys, so as you can see here, this is the tripod stand assembled, and of course the base, it's very tall. So you can actually see here when it's fully assembled. All right, some things that I like about this right away is that it can pivot, right? And of course you can tighten and loosen the grip. So of course once you place the phone in here, it will be able to move and pivot, so you can record things at a lower angle, at a high angle, or of course you can set this up across the room, and of course you can record a video without any assistance. You can also do those still shots. All right, so this is something that's very fun to carry around. All right, next there is this attachment piece. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but it seems to be an additional piece that allows certain additional attachments, and of course that's great. So I'll put this aside or keep it. It can be used. I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. If anybody know what this does, you can actually put in the comments. All right, so up here we have another section up here. It even allows for an attachment at the top right here. All right, the legs can be bent, so if it's too high you can actually bend it and it will get much lower. All right, and of course there's the Bluetooth adapter in case you need help in recording if you are operating this at a distance. All right, so all of these will work out just fine. I like all of these. All right, so of course the phones, this is adjustable. So this section actually adjusts to your phone, so you can see it goes very high. So it allows for multiple phones or devices to be attached. And of course there's many different sections, so you can actually attach it vertically. You can also most likely attach it in different orientations, such as I could take this and place it in another direction, so it allows for multiples to the base here or here, and of course for additional attachments to the top here. All right, so overall I'm liking this stand. So you can actually pick this up for yourself online. Description will have the link, and of course this is good. So it's made from solid material. There's a solid inner section here, so you can know that this will be good and flexible and last. You can actually use these legs as well to bend in terms of grip certain surfaces. So this can be mounted on almost anything, such as the arm of a chair. So these are some of the things that makes this great. All right, so far so good. If you have any questions in terms of long-term usage, you can ask them below. And as I said, I like it because any phone, whether it be iOS or otherwise, can be mounted. It will fit just about any phone that you have. All right, and I'm loving it so far, and I would give this easily a 4, maybe 4.5 out of 5 stars. All right, so it looks good. Long term, we'll see how it works out, but so far so good, and I don't think I'm gonna have any issue with this. So this is a great stand that you can actually check out for yourself. Love the adjustments and the multiple adjustments points, and also the flexibility for additional attachments, multiple mounting angles such as horizontal or vertical. It basically is well thought out, so you can know that whoever made this knows what they're doing. And I love this. Most of these things do not come with this particular device here. It's quite nice, and I love the setup overall, and I get additional stuff that would work perfectly with these type of devices. All right, so this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and I'll end the unboxing and impressions of this device here, which is a tripod stand. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.